Hey everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to be fixing the tailgate in this 1994 Toyota HiLux. Now the problem with this tailgate is that it won't stay up. Now I've had two HiLuxes with this same issue, so that tells me this is probably a fairly common problem. So let's fix it. So the first issue we have is this handle isn't working. And the second issue is, in here there's a little lock that's supposed to come out. There's two of them. Now if we come in for a better look, you can see it's stuck in. That lock latches into this part here. This is what keeps the tailgate up. So as you pull the handle, behind this cover there's a mechanism and it rotates. And there's a long rod that goes to each lock. And as it rotates, it pulls this in. But this is supposed to be spring loaded and returned back to its original position when it's not being pulled. So hopefully I just have to take this off and lube it up and that's good enough. Okay, now those screws are removed, this panel can come off. This is the part here I was talking about that rotates. And this little hook here is what the lever goes to. So all this has to do is rotate clockwise and these pins should come back out. And just like that, they're out. Now as you can see, when I go to open it from the lever, this doesn't return back to its original position. That's why these locks are getting stuck. So I'll lubricate this part with some WD-40. Okay, so now that's been lubed up, I'll spray some of these locks and that should help free it up. So I'll just wipe off a bit of the dirt because I don't want that getting caught back in there. So the way I'm making that move is that I'm turning this to force it to move. So now I'll do the same thing for the left side. Clean up all the old dirt. Then lube it up. Turn this. So now when I pull on the handle from underneath, it returns. That means it's fixed. Okay, so now this cover can go back on. Done. And just like that, it's fixed. That's not going to fall down. And that's how easy it is to fix the tailgate mechanism in your Toyota HiLux. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Please consider liking and subscribing.